Good evening, everyone. My name is Andra Medak, and today I will be discussing a very important yet very controversial issue in the educational sector. This issue is the implications of technology used by educators in Australia. In this discussion, I'll be providing a comprehensive overview of the rapid integration of technology in Australia and will state the potential adverse implications that may follow as a result. So, why is it a concern? Well, technology has grown rapidly over the past 20 years. It has integrated within the educational system, yet there are numerous criticisms, particularly whether it is doing more harm than good. Over the past 20 years, technology has transformed society and changed many aspects of daily life, as stated by Johnson 2000. So, the question is whether the benefits outweigh the positives? You may ask, why is this a problem? Well, for example, they contend some educators have endorsed technology indiscriminatively, as if the use of computers automatically produces quality teaching and learning experiences. Too many schools emphasize technology over learning. For example, the ability to create an attractive document doesn't mean that students have a greater understanding of concepts in the core academic areas. When spending money on technology increases, spending on other important programs and activities such as art, music, sports, and field trip decreases. Technology isn't always as cost-effective as other interventions because equipment requires extensive support. Technological innovations have often proven unusable because schools lack the capacity to link equipment used with instructional objectives. Computers also reduce students' opportunities for socialization. What are the potential impacts on individual autonomy? Technology may in fact have a broader adverse impact on the capacity of an individual's freedom by overexposure to the technological devices, inhibiting the ability to gain full control and exercise over social and individual freedom. So, what is the conflict between educational policies on integration? There seems to be a conflicting interest in the balance of maintaining and ensuring the integration of educational policies of technology in the development and learning process of school children. This conflict, aforementioned, places increasing tensions in the adverse impact of technology in the ability of students to gain full potential to learning capacity. Further issues that arise are individuals are experiencing social needs or Indigenous or cultural backgrounds may not fully appreciate the extent of technology in their learning capacity. They may require a more one-to-one traditional form of learning, and technology may impede this ability as it can seem quite daunting and radical. Lastly, the recommendations that could be implemented are planners should align the program with the school's system's primary goals and determine how the technology plan will relate to, support, and integrate with other educational plans at the district and state levels. Experts agree that when teachers have input into planning and purchasing decisions, they are most likely to perceive the selected technology as useful and integrate the technology into their classrooms, as stated by National Education Association 2008. Technology programs rarely have a positive impact on students when schools are limited to one computer for every 30 students, or when available computers are out of date, as stated by Rivero 2006 and Cooley 2001. Providing strong leadership and involving parents and community stakeholders are further another recommendation. This concludes my presentation on the ethical dilemmas that may potentially arise from the educational policies relating to the integration by technology. Thank you very much for listening.